The new Siri AI in macOS 27 Golden Gate isn't just for answering questions anymore. It can help you search faster, understand what's on your screen, let you converse follow-up questions, and even assist you while browsing. Here's how to use it the right way. So right after the update, you'll notice that the Spotlight search has been replaced with the new Siri AI. The icon now takes its place, and you'll also find a dedicated Siri app in your dock. Now, first of all, if you tap on the Siri icon at the top, you'll get 4 options like applications, documents, and stuff like that. The usual stuff that previously you did from the Spotlight search. So you can just go ahead and explore these sections first. Now, apart from that, you can type to Siri, talk to it using your voice, use it like an AI chatbot, and even ask Siri about almost anything that's on your screen, inside your browser, or all over the internet. Simply click on Siri icon or the keyboard shortcut that you use to open up the Spotlight search. And from here, you can use basic commands like checking the weather, setting a timer, opening an app, or you can ask more advanced questions to find contents inside your app. Hey Siri, find my notes on the Catcher in the Rye. Hey Siri, show me the photos of my pets in the photos library. And it doesn't stop here. You can even ask Siri to draw an image, summarize content, write a book review, anything for you. Now to make all this work properly, you gotta just head over to settings. From there, scroll down to Siri. Then at the right hand side, go to App Access and just enable the apps you want Siri to search through, and make sure Learn from this app is turned on for each and every one of them that you want. Now here's one of the coolest features. If you right-click almost anywhere on your empty desktop, you'll see an additional Ask Siri option. It was not here before. The same feature is available inside all the supported browsers and all the websites. And you can also press Shift Command 6 and then drag over any text, image, object, content on your screen. And 2 options will come up. One of them is Ask Siri. You can then ask literally any question about that website, that object, that content, whatever is on your mind. Siri will then analyze the selection, explain it, summarize it, answer questions about it. It'll also answer any follow-up question and also help you learn more without leaving what you're doing. And finally, every conversation you have is saved in the Siri app right here. So you can come back in here later and you can use it, copy paste it anywhere, just go through and access it later on. And from the same Siri settings, you can also choose whether new requests continue the current conversation or always start a new chat, and you can select to keep your conversation saved for future reference. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.